Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the KTC monitor actually accepts audio. Many models only pass video. Once done, locate the correct input, 3. 5mm headphone, HDMI ARC, or optical, because the wiring and settings differ for each. Make sure you have a functioning cable and a device set to output sound. Keep volume low while testing to avoid sudden loud output. This prevents speaker damage. This step saves time later, because hardware mismatch is the most common blocker when audio won't appear. Next, connect the cable firmly and pick the right output format on your source. Choose PCM or stereo for compatibility, since surround formats can be rejected. Then, on the KTC monitor, navigate into the input or audio menu and explicitly select that port. Many monitors won't auto-switch. If using HDMI ARC, enable ARC on both the monitor and source. If optical, confirm the source is set to optical output. These manual selections tell the monitor how to decode incoming signals, which is why they matter. To finish, play a familiar track and raise monitor volume gradually so you can hear any response. This verifies the chain end-to-end. If silence persists, swap cables and sources to isolate the fault and toggle audio modes. Sometimes switching from Dolby to PCM wakes the output. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart both devices and check for mute, low volume, or firmware updates. Firmware or locked content formats can prevent audio. If still blocked, note which port worked during tests and proceed from there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.